Class 11, Evolution of Human Values, are the factors which have influenced human values continuously. Okay. So, what society's impact is on one's desires that uh, develops a value system in yourself. See, sometimes when you get into bus, all people will try for getting seat. Some people will try to r- take seat by putting some their bag from window. ಬಸ್ ಬಹಳ ರಶ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಕಿಟಕಿಯಿಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸೀಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಬಸ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ದಡ ಬಡ ಹತ್ತಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗುಡು 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 ಗುಡು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೌ ಹಿಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ that defines the value system at that time, ಆ place ಅಲ್ಲಿ, like that. Okay, when there is total rush, okay, in a government office or wherever, you get upset. People start commenting. Suppose say there is queue in ATM machine. Even if there are 10 people, people get upset. But suppose say in a temple there is a long queue, people do not get upset. They may slightly get disappointed, but they will not comment negatively because of that place. Everybody will think of God and try to adjust with the people. That is the so that is the impact of society, culture, everything. So this defines our value system. Value is also developed by one's own awareness, choice, judgment. Okay. Suppose say you have different choices, and what all awareness you have. According to that, you develop your own value system. Then you develop your likes and dislikes, etc. Some people may like vegetarian food. Some people may like non-vegetarian food. Some people may like to take food two times. Some people may like to take three times. So like that. Then it is defined or influenced by teachings of gurus, spiritual leaders, and religious leaders. Sorry, all these people. Okay. It is also influenced by the law. Say on road when you drive, the your value system will be different than how you walk or drive in your own compound. You will have to give respect to others, follow driving rules. So rules of government, that also defines the value system. So so because of all these things, our value system has got evolution. During before democracy, value system was something different. What king says was ultimate. But now in democracy, people have voice to speak. They can go to court, they can go to higher officials, etc., etc.